Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 15th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. Because on the 4-hour time frame, this is where I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. We did definitely make a nice Fibonacci bounce. The daily time frame is still up, the weekly time frame is still up, the monthly time frame is still up. So we definitely still want to be leaning towards longs more than anything. I think there's a good chance this is going to make another attempt up towards these highs. And if this really is what I suspected it could be on like the weekly time frame, which is like a wave one, a wave two, and we're actually in the middle of a wave three, then we definitely want to continue to be bullish for now, for sure. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, really the long opportunity was back here at the breaker structure. So really the strategy right now is to either be looking for a long on a much shorter time frame, or be patiently waiting for a decent pullback to go long again. Now, today is CPI inflation data, and anything can happen during these big news events. I personally think trading these big news events is not really a whole lot different than gambling, going to the casino. So I don't mind holding on to a trade that I'm already in, but I'm definitely normally not gonna try to enter a trade, seconds before the news comes out and try to scalp the news or anything like that. So definitely be aware of the news today. Definitely be cautious. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Don't forget to check out my Discord channel, 100% free. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.